Over the past few years, drones have revolutionized the way medical aid is delivered to people in the remote areas or inaccessible locations using the drone delivery system. Normally, our channel we don't talk about any specific companies, and this video is not sponsored. But in our research, we stumbled upon Zipline and we think that it deserves one video, and by sticking till the end of the video, you'll understand why. What is Zipline? Zipline is a company that provides on-demand delivery of medical supplies using drones. The company was founded in 2014 and is based in California, United States. Its mission is to improve access to healthcare in remote areas by providing fast and reliable delivery of medical supplies. The company has developed a fleet of drones that are capable of carrying up to 1.8 kilograms of medical supply. That includes blood, vaccines, and medications. The drones are launched from a distribution center and fly to a designated drop-off location where the supplies are delivered via parachute. Before we dive into the story, do like this video and subscribe to our channel. So here are some stories where Zipline played a crucial role in rescue. Story 1. Rescuing a hiker in the mountain. Jack and his hiking partner were out enjoying the beautiful California wilderness when Jack suddenly felt a sharp pain in his leg. He had been bitten by a venomous snake and knew that he needed antivenom quickly if he was going to survive. Unfortunately, the nearest hospital was several hours away, and it would take too long for an ambulance to reach them. That's when Jack's hiking partner remembered hearing about Zipline's medical delivery system. He quickly called for help, and within few minutes, a drone arrived at the scene with the antivenom Jack needed. Thanks to Zipline's quick delivery, Jack was able to receive the antivenom he needed in time to save his life. The drone delivered the medication directly to the hiking trail, bypassing the need of ambulance or hospital. Story 2. Mary in Rwanda. Mary lives in a remote village in Rwanda, far from any hospital or medical clinic. When she became pregnant, she knew that the nearest hospital was hours away, and she was worried that she won't be able to get the medical care she needed. However, thanks to Zipline medical delivery system, Mary was able to receive the medical supplies and care she needed during her pregnancy. Zipline delivered critical medical supplies, including blood and medication, directly to Mary's village, bypassing the need of her to travel long distance to a hospital. When Mary went into labor, Zipline's medical delivery system was there to help once again. The drone quickly delivered an emergency supply of blood to the hospital where Mary was giving birth. This allowed the doctors to perform a life-saving transfusion and ensure that both Mary and her baby were healthy and safe. Impact of Zipline. The company has partnered with governments and healthcare organizations in several countries. That includes Rwanda, Ghana, and the United States. In Rwanda, Zipline has helped to reduce maternal mortality rates by delivering blood products to hospitals quickly and efficiently. In Ghana, the company has helped to improve access to vaccines and other medical supplies in remote areas. In 2020, during pandemic, the company partnered with the government of Ghana to deliver COVID-19 test samples and medical supplies to remote areas that help to reduce the spread of virus. How does Zipline work? The process starts with a healthcare worker submitting an order for medical supplies through a mobile app. The order is then received by Zipline's distribution center, where the required samples are assembled and loaded into the drone. Once the drone is loaded, it is launched into the air and flies to the designated drop-off location, which is determined by GPS coordinates. The drone drops the medical supply via parachute, which is designed to open at specific altitude, ensuring that the supplies are delivered safely and intact. Zipline's drones are fully autonomous and use a combination of GPS and sensors to navigate to their destination. The company's drones are also equipped with a sense and avoid system. Benefits of Zipline. One of the biggest advantages of Zipline is speed. The company's drone can fly up to 110 kilometers per hour and can deliver medical supplies within 30 minutes of receiving an order. Another benefit of Zipline is reliability. The company's drones are designed to operate in all weather conditions and can deliver medical supplies to areas that are difficult to access by road or boat. This makes Zipline an ideal solution for delivering medical supplies during emergencies such as natural disaster or disease outbreaks. Here are some data points related to Zipline's operations. Zipline has delivered over 1.5 million doses of vaccine, blood products, and medications to remote areas around the world. The company's drones have flown over 20 million kilometers since the launch of its first distribution center in Rwanda in 2016. Zipline's drones have a range of 160 kilometers and can deliver medical supplies to an area covering 22,500 square kilometers. The company's system is capable of delivering medical supplies to over 20 million people in remote areas around the world. Zipline's drone delivery system is cost effective, with the cost per delivery estimated to be less than $10. If you like this video, then do check out other videos by clicking here. That's it for today guys. See you in the next one. Take it easy.